Imagine waking up every morning with no recollection of the day before. Our brains are not like filing cabinets neatly storing away discrete memories. Instead, they are more like dynamic, ever-changing landscapes where memories are constantly being formed, modified, and sometimes even forgotten. Memory is a dynamic and distributed process involving a complex network of neurons and synapses. Different brain regions, each specialized for processing specific types of information, collaborate to create and store memories. This teamwork ensures that our memories are rich and multifaceted. The hippocampus, a seahorse-shaped structure deep within the brain, plays a critical role in forming new memories, particularly those related to facts and events. It acts as a gateway for new information. Imagine the hippocampus as a skilled librarian, organizing and cataloging new information as it arrives. This librarian ensures that everything is in its right place for easy retrieval. However, long-term memories are not permanently stored in the hippocampus. They are only temporarily held there. Instead, they are gradually transferred to other brain regions, particularly the neocortex, for long-term storage. This transfer ensures that our memories are preserved over time. This process, known as memory consolidation, can take days, weeks, or even years. It is a gradual process that strengthens and stabilizes our memories, making them more resilient to forgetting. At the cellular level, memories are encoded in the connections between neurons, known as synapses. These synapses are the fundamental units of memory storage in the brain. Each neuron in your brain can form thousands of connections with other neurons, creating a vast and intricate network. This network is constantly changing and adapting as we learn and experience new things. When we learn something new, the connections between neurons strengthen or weaken, a process known as synaptic plasticity. This plasticity is crucial for the brain's ability to adapt and store new information. One of the key mechanisms underlying synaptic plasticity is called long-term potentiation, or LTP. LTP is essential for learning and memory formation. LTP refers to the long-lasting enhancement of signal transmission between two neurons that are activated simultaneously. This enhanced communication makes it easier for neurons to transmit information. Imagine two friends, each living in a different city. Initially, they communicate infrequently, perhaps sending a letter every few months. Their connection is weak and sporadic. However, as their friendship grows, they start calling and emailing more often, strengthening their connection. This increased communication is similar to how LTP works in the brain. Similarly, LTP strengthens the connection between neurons, making it easier for them to communicate and transmit information. This process is vital for efficient brain function and memory retention. Conversely, long-term depression, or LTD, weakens the connection between neurons, making it less likely that they will fire together in the future. LTD is equally important for maintaining balance in the brain. This process is important for clearing out old or irrelevant information, making room for new memories. By balancing LTP and LTD, the brain ensures that it remains flexible and capable of learning throughout life. The Kebra key. Unlocking memory's potential. Recent research has uncovered a fascinating link between a protein called Kebra and memory performance. Studies have shown that individuals with a particular variant of the Kebra gene tend to have better episodic memory, which is the type of memory we use to recall past experiences. Kebra appears to play a role in synaptic plasticity, influencing the strength of connections between neurons. This discovery has exciting implications for developing new treatments for memory disorders. By targeting Kebra or related molecules, scientists may one day be able to enhance memory function in individuals struggling with memory loss. Sleep, the night shift for memory consolidation. While we sleep, our brains are far from idle. They are actively working behind the scenes, performing essential tasks that are crucial for our well-being. In fact, sleep plays a crucial role in consolidating memories, transferring them from temporary storage in the hippocampus to long-term storage in the neocortex. This process is vital for learning and retaining new information. During sleep, the hippocampus reactivates patterns of neural activity that occurred during waking hours, almost as if it were replaying memories. This reactivation is a key part of how our brains process and store information. This replay is thought to strengthen the connections between neurons, making the memories more resistant to forgetting. Essentially, sleep helps to solidify and integrate our experiences into long-term memory. Sleep deprivation, on the other hand, can impair memory consolidation. Without adequate rest, our brains struggle to perform these critical functions. When we don't get enough sleep, our brains have difficulty transferring new information from short-term to long-term memory. This can lead to forgetfulness and difficulty in learning new things. This is why pulling an all-nighter before an exam is often counterproductive. Instead of cramming, it's better to get a good night's sleep to ensure your brain can effectively consolidate the information you've studied. As we've journeyed through the intricate labyrinth of memory, we've uncovered the astounding complexity behind how our brains store and recall information. From the initial encoding of experiences in the hippocampus, to the intricate dance of synapses that fortify our memories, to the essential role sleep plays in consolidating them, every step is a testament to the marvels of our cognitive machinery. Understanding these processes not only illuminates the significance of memory in our daily lives, but also underscores the importance of nurturing and protecting our mental faculties. Whether it's through adequate sleep, continuous learning, or even mindful practices, there are myriad ways to enhance and preserve our memory. In essence, memory is not just a passive repository of our past, it is an active, dynamic force that shapes our identity, guides our decisions, and enriches our lives. So let's cherish our memories, both old and new, and strive to create a mental environment where they can flourish. Thank you for joining us on this exploration. Remember, the key to unlocking the potential of your mind lies in understanding and caring for the incredible processes that happen within it. Stay curious, stay mindful, and until next time, keep nurturing your memory. If you enjoyed this exploration and want to uncover more about the science of the mind, learning, and cognition, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay curious, stay mindful, and continue expanding your knowledge with us. Hit the subscribe button and be part of our growing community of explorers. See you in the next video.